Hi, welcome to Fowler's Free Time.
Hi.
This is my sister Jamie. It's our birthday weekend.
Hi.
And we are going to be making seafood paella this weekend, right? Show us what you got.
We got some gorgeous little neck clams.
Uh-huh.
We've got some stunning mussels.
Uh-huh.
And to top it all off, we've got some gorgeous jumbo shrimp. Look at how fresh it is. Yum.
Nice. Looking forward to this. Never made paella, so
Me either.
let's see how this turns out.
We can always order pizza.
Okay, we've cleaned our shellfish and deveined our shrimp. We also have Spanish Bomba rice, fish broth, saffron, a can of diced tomatoes, and a few items you will see as we begin cooking. Our paella pan is up to temp, and we'll begin by sauteing one large diced onion. On an adjacent burner, we have our saffron slowly infusing into a simmering pot of fish broth. Jamie has added the rice to our pan and is stirring to coat the rice grains with olive oil, garlic, and onions that have been sauteing. If you don't have a paella pan, you can use a large, shallow frying pan. We'll add the saffron-infused stock to the rice slowly, giving it an initial stir to coat and cover the rice as necessary. It's time to flex your artistic skills and arrange the mussels on top of this beautifully fragrant Spanish rice. Presentation is important for this dish, but also be practical with your spacing, as you still need to add your clams. I'm not sure if this was in the original recipe, but we added a can of diced tomatoes at this point. I failed to mention this earlier, but we've had our deveined shrimp marinating in white wine and pressed garlic for 20 minutes. We'll now arrange the shrimp in the pan. And there's no harm in adding the juices as well. We've added some thinly sliced bell peppers, hard for the place, to top it all off. But by this point, I'm starting to worry whether the whole dish will cook through evenly, so we decide to cover it. Jamie, what you doing? But the recipe don't say to put any foil on it?
Uh-oh, I don't have a couple.
Alright, come let's put some foil on it.
Oh, it's hot.
Yeah, it's hot. We want to make sure that all of the peppers and the shrimp, everything cooks properly, so we want to keep in some of the steam, even though the recipe doesn't call for it. Yeah, take off it. Boom! What?
I think things are still okay.
A dish of this caliber is a great choice for a celebration, and deserves a beautiful table setting as well. Now get in there, sis.
Yeah, you deserve it.
Boom.
Boom. Hot chili, buff chili, buff chili, chili.
Yes.
What you do? Bubble like soup, bubble bubble like soup. Hot gal, sweet like a honey.
So we genuinely had a blast cooking this meal together. Celebrating my sister's birthday with her reminded me that nothing is more important than family. And so we ate our fill of paella, drank all the wine, and recharged our hearts with laughter. We forgot the Corona apocalypse, even if just briefly. But nobody will forget that paella. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you next time. Bye for now.